Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. We are now going to be doing stage 55 of Hero Collector Negomos's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so I did say there was going to be no videos this week, but this did turn up on Friday, so I am pre-recording it on Friday, ready for release on the Monday. So when you're seeing it, it's going to be Monday. I'm actually recording this on the Friday. So yeah, a bit of a bonus video for you here. So I'm going to show you what we're going to be doing, and we're going to crack on with it. As you can see, these are the parts we get here. We're going to be doing the radio and the receiver in this one. So let me actually get to the build page. That's not the right one. Next one back. So the radio and the handset, sorry, that's what we're going to be doing. So it's quite quick and easy one, this one. So all we're going to be doing is adding these two parts together, sticking a DP screw through, and that's going to connect it onto there. Then we're going to use two more DP screws to connect that to the actual cargo area. Add these two parts on here, and then connect the wire up to that phone part, and that is the issue complete. So really quick and easy video this one should be. As I said, I am away for work reasons this week, so I'm filming this in advance, ready for this week. I will try and get another one done in advance so you can have two videos this week. So yeah, if not, we'll have a couple more next week as well. So without further ado, let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so first off, we're going to be using these two parts here. We've got this part here, which is just like a box part with the top missing, and this is the actual top piece. So as you can see, this part is the radio control panel, and this part is the AN-PRC-41 radio. So we're going to be attaching these. They only go on one way. As you can see, this is offset to one side, not in the center, same as in here. So that will determine what way you put this in. Because if you put it in the wrong way and try and screw it down, it won't actually fix the top to the bottom. Just like so. Then we can put a DP screw just down here. So that is just going to fix these two parts together. So we'll screw them down. Just like so, all the way down, just like that. And yeah, that is pretty much this part complete. There has been a lot of mods going on with this, people doing different things because this is actually the wrong shape. But yeah, we're happy with it at the moment. So we need to bring down the cargo area and we'll get this installed. Okay, so we've got our cargo area in, and this is the area. You can just see down here, this is the area we're going to be working in. So we do have a location peg hole just here. I've got two holes either side of it. That's going to help us get this on the right way. So that's going to locate on top of there. When we flip this over, we've got two more DP screws needed in the bottom. So let's get this in the hole first, just like so. Then we can put two more DP screws just in this hole here and here. Right, so let's get the first one. I'm just going to put that one, drop that one in, so I can actually let go of this part because I don't want to let it go. Screw that down. Right, that's that part now fixed onto there. Let's get the second DP screw in. So I'm just going to put this down while I get the second screw in. And there we are. Now we can turn this back over. As you can see, that is now attached down onto here. So there's a little pipe we need. This is this one here. We're going to attach this onto here now. So before we do, I'm just going to widen these holes with a cocktail stick. That's one. I'll do the other side as well while it's off. That's two. So we've gone just on this little nipple, just on the end here. So we'll push that down onto there. There we go. So now that's just going to dangle just down here. But we can actually get the radio receiver, our phone headset part. Just going to clip these two parts on. So the bigger one goes at the top, the smaller one down at the bottom, just like that. And then we can take this. This does have a peg hole just at the bottom here. That's just going to slide into there, just like so. And now that can get attached onto here, just hanging down there. So I'm going to try and get it in right. Oh, it does slide down. There we go. So that is that now in there, just like that. So what have we got coming up next time? So next time we start the second jump seat. So we just build basically half of the jump seat ready for next time. So yeah, I'll try and get this video out this week as well. If not, this will be the first video of next week. There you go, guys. That's stage 55 all complete. Really quick and easy video there. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please remember to give me a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.